person. You get to ask him all sorts of questions. Oh my god, are you excited?
He said we're very different people, though.
Yeah, that's so it's like more to learn about them, right?
I'm a little nervous now.
Why?
I hope she doesn't, like, dislike me, you know?
No, she won't. She's pretty funny.
Okay.
And she's done a lot of volunteering with special needs.
What? What?
You should see how long you can keep it up for. You think you could do it the whole night?
Yes.
Is that because this is the voice that feels most natural?
Oh yeah, totally.
Oh wow, I feel like I'm driving with a woman now.
Oh, fuck you. Fuck you, Steven!
Instead of a special needs child.
Oh my god, what's wrong with you?
I'm just kidding. When I say special needs, what I'm going to say you need to calm the fuck down. Just chill out.
Are you really that much of a dick? Or is it a persona that you put on for your
What do you
stream?
think?
I'm not sure, it's really hard to say.
Really?
Maybe you're so used to putting on a really mean persona, right?
Kind of like how you're so used to using that voice. Wow, dude.
I hate you.
That was a great fucking
I hate you!
The analogs.
You didn't tell her I was coming?
I'm on a black car and I have a friend with me.
Wait, really? Now I feel awkward. I didn't need to come along. Do you want to drop me home?
Yeah, you should like just get out right now.
Shit,
Just
Uber home. Do you want?
No, listen, what we'll do is here. Walk around the corner, and when she gets in, I'll ask if I can pick up a friend. And then if she says yes, then I'll just drive around the corner like, oh wow, she walked this far because she's really lonely. And then you can just hop in.
No. Is that her name Geisha or Geisha? Is it Geisha?
It's Gaisha.
Geisha?
But people meme and call her Geisha. I usually call her Gaisha.
Geisha. He's lying. Her name is pronounced Geisha?
It's not pronounced Geisha. Geisha is like the Japanese.
Yes,
shit.
I know.
That's like that's why people call her Geisha. It's like a big meme.
Oh, okay.
But she's not Puerto Rican, Dominican, so they like pronounce every letter.
Geisha.
So it's Gaisha.
Geisha.
And then in Spanish, the accent is over the second to last syllable, so it's Gaisha.
Okay. Wait, they said you're fucking with me.
What do they say? Okay, she's a geisha. Her parents actually named her after the Japanese geishas. You got me.
No, I don't know
You got
anymore.
me, dude.
I don't know
That's
what's
it.
real
No,
anymore.
That's it, dude.
I don't know what's
That's it,
real
dude.
anymore.
I'm coming down.
Okay, I'll see you soon, geisha.
Yeah.
Bye.
That car you can.
Wait, were you
What?
actually fucking with me? Is it actually Geisha?
That's her name.
Wait, are you serious?
Yes, that's her name.
You're not lying?
I'm not lying.
Okay. Why is everyone saying lol?
Because they were fucking with you and they just got called the fuck out on it, probably.
Is it Geisha?
Gaisha.
Geisha?
Not like Gaisha, but like Gaisha.
Geisha. Okay.
Hello.
Hey, what's up?
Good. Hi.
Hi, nice to meet you. Geisha?
Nice to meet you.
Steven, what the fuck? You're such a troll.
All right, what's the name of this? Okay.
He said your name was pronounced Geisha.
I'm gonna kill you, fucking. You know how much I can I curse?
You can curse.
Okay. Do you know how much I hate when you mispronounce?
Holy shit! Holy shit!
When people, it just. Ugh.
I'm not streaming right now, so it's just her stream, and she's
Just
like
my
a really
stream.
small streamer, so nobody gives a fuck.
Wow, he's so mean.
That's
He's
why I
so
love it
mean.
so much.
Oh my god.
We actually made a no bully pact for tonight, okay? Gaisha, so nobody's allowed to bully here,
Oh
okay?
my god! I swear to God, I'm
Nobody's
gonna
allowed to
kill
bully
you.
Geisha, I can't believe I
Oh
believed
god.
him.
You said the range closed at 10? Are we going to the range that you DM'd me? That one's open, right? It only as long as none of you break the rules. Have you ever shot
What are
before?
the rules?
You don't ever point a gun at somebody
I
like
did,
joking.
but on stunts, so they were not.
Okay, but
you know,
like
they didn't
here,
kill
not even like
anybody.
joking ever. Not
Huh?
even if you know it's empty. Even if you checked it a million times, you can't ever point it at anybody ever.
Yeah, never. Yeah.
If
no.
you get kicked out, I'm gonna act like I don't know you, okay? I'm gonna
Okay.
say, no, I don't know, no say, or
Any
whatever.
other rules I should know about?
Don't always. Okay. Okay, listen, okay? For the things when you have them, the guns, right? They're always loaded every single time. So always treat them like they're loaded. Okay? Don't put your finger on the trigger. Don't carry it around like this or whatever. Don't wave it around. Okay? Just don't point at anybody.
Yep.
Okay?
Yeah.
Ever.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll point my finger on you.
Not even. Don't even do that. You're gonna get us fucking killed, dude. You're gonna get us fucking killed. Holy shit.
I just put my finger, dude. What the
You're gonna like walk up to some dude with a rifle. And you're gonna be like, oh boom, and he's gonna turn and he's gonna
I
fucking.
just did it here.
blast your fucking
you
face, dude.
in your car.
All right.
So good. Where are you from?
I'm from Santa Monica. Really? Yeah.
What?
Right?
For me, I mean, I don't want to go like. I thought you came from Japan straight.
Geisha, are you fucking serious?
That's
Are you
so something.
right
Wait,
now.
that's something you would say. What the heck?
Yeah, but I would say it jokingly. Geisha,
Oh my
how are you so
God.
fucking racist? Geisha, what if somebody asked you what city in Mexico you were from?
Holy shit.
Alright, move on to a different topic, okay?
Oh my God.
It's Destiny's fault.
It is.
She's the one spreading all the
I agree.
toxicity
I agree.
of whatever.
Steven has a very negative
Racism.
influence. You're really pretty.
Oh, thank you.
What?
Are you jealous?
Just
Are you
drive.
looking at her like you're
Just
jealous,
drive.
Steven, it's not my
Drive.
fault, Steven, okay?
It's not her fault, Steven,
not- it's not
okay?
my
It's
fault,
just go,
alright?
just
We
go,
Don't just
dude.
like turn around
Go.
and leave me home.
Damn, do you work out?
Huh?
Oh,
I haven't been in the gym for a while.
Me too.
She said in a while, not ever.
Do you bully her too?
Bully everybody, okay? I'm an equal opportunity bullier.
Equal opportunity bullier. Okay. Oh God.
I can't help the
Can you
bumps,
drive a
okay?
little better, Steven?
Yeah, sure, dude. I'll drive as better as I can, okay?
Yes.
L-I-L-Y. Steven! So, how's life? Okay.
Geisha, she asked you a fucking question.
I asked
Wait,
you.
how's life about what? Wait, she pointed at you.
I did
thought
point
she-
at him. I can't tell if half the things you say is like bullshit
Okay,
or
listen.
like the
For the
truth.
rest of this car ride, I will not tell a lie, okay?
Really? The rest of this car ride,
The
you
rest
won't
of
say a
the car, I
single
won't say
lie.
a single
You
lie.
won't bully either?
I won't say any lies, okay?
Okay, that's all you can promise. You're not good enough.
Okay, I won't lie or bully.
Oh, really? For the rest of the car ride?
Yeah, we're here for 13 minutes, so yes.
Why did you want to try charcoal ice cream?
Huh?
Why do you want to try
Because I
charcoal?
like to try new things.
Oh, okay.
I'm very curious.
Charcoal.
Curious, what do you mean by curious?
Huh?
Never mind.
And there's Destiny with the.
I know, right?
With the what? I meant we could try shooting like different types of guns.
We just.
Never mind. That
We
was
just
totally
went from
unintentional.
shooting
I'm
guns to
sorry.
having ice cream. That is ice
We're good.
cream.
Alright, we're good. Exit 2C is what we're looking for. Chill out. You guys are out of control right now. I'm trying to focus on driving, okay?
It's confusing. You like switch between being really mean to really nice.
Because when I
Can you
introduce
stick
you
with?
to another person, you are a friend of mine, and if you look like you're not very impressive, then it doesn't make me look impressive. So if I'm introducing another friend, I have to hype you up so that Geisha's like, oh wow, Steve's got some really cool friends, and then vice versa, I have to hype up Geisha so you see I have really cool friends. Okay?
Well, I'm flattered.
Yeah, you're welcome.
You know, because that means your circle of friends are awesome.
Yeah, there you go. Or at least you guys will think you're awesome.
Jesus Christ.
Do you have a boyfriend? Girlfriend?
No, I don't.
Now it's
No. Boys suck. Feels bad, man. Feels bad. Oh, get me out of this car.
No, I know.
Get me out of this car.
She's kind of going through like a girl phase right now. You have to watch out where she's not sure if she wants to.
No,
go or
that's
not.
not it. That's not it.
So you caught in a really
Oh my
weird
God.
moment. She just asked out her first girl yesterday, but she hasn't gotten a response yet.
She had her
Like,
first what?
She asked out her first girl yesterday, but she hasn't gotten a response yet because the situation is really
He's really
complicated.
good at lying. You know that, right? Like,
Yes.
yeah,
Like
like-
when he said that he didn't know what motorboat was. I knew he was lying, but still, I was like, all right, I'm gonna play.
And when he said your name was pronounced like Geisha, he spent like 20 minutes trying to convince me it was Geisha, and
It
I
was
believed him. Geisha or something like that.
You guys are making me nervous, okay?
Well, how are we making you nervous?
She's making me nervous by being here. Because if I get into a
3A,
lethal car
this is
accident,
3A.
there's gonna be that many more manslaughters on my head. We all fucking. Some people start dying.
Holy
She's already half dead anyway from her leg shift, so it's like not gonna be that hard to finish her off.
Oh my God.
Okay, so.
And you, I don't even know if you're large enough to be allowed in the front
2C.
seat, so.
2C, finally.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Watch out.
Wait, what happened
You
to?
watch out.
No bullying for the rest
You
of
said
the
I
car.
bully, so there was no point in.
No.
Okay, no
All
more
right,
bullying.
everybody,
Okay,
we're just gonna, you know.
no more bully and no more lying, okay? Damn. Oh, this guy wants to race, but I have to turn soon.
Please don't race. Don't race.
Woo!
He wanted to, dude.
Don't race.
He wants it.
He wanted to.
Give it to him.
Oh my
Please.
God.
Yes.
Holy shit.
Make it happen.
What the fuck?
Copper, watch out. Don't
What?
point shit at
Wait,
him.
what? What?
It's a copper right there.
Yeah, I'm not driving.
I know, but if you point shit at him, maybe he'll think it's a gun. And you guys are just dark enough that you might start shooting, so I don't know.
Oh.
Wait. What happened to no bullying?
I'm not bullying, that's the
Stay on
reality.
your safe stuff.
Just chill, okay?
Oh.
I just want to be safe, and I want to keep all of us safe, okay?
I think you look nice.
You're probably taller than me, too. Aren't you? What are you, like?
I am taller than you. It's not a question.
I didn't say it was a car.
Who isn't taller? I'm sorry, that was really mean.
Yeah, you're definitely
Oh
not.
shit, that was
You're
really mean.
definitely not.
I'm sorry, that was really mean.
Calm the fuck down. bring a fucking booster suit for you next time I fucking do it, right?
No, don't race, Steven, don't do it, don't race. Don't race.
I don't think he's gonna want to, dude. He's in like a fucking Honda Accord, right? Just chill. No, I don't want to.
She's like, you know the trope where you have like an angel on one shoulder and a devil on the other shoulder?
You're an angel? That was actually a really good joke, dude. Oh my god. That's like the funniest joke you've made tonight. Oh, this is supposed to be no bullying.
Oh
I'm
my
sorry.
god, you said you wouldn't bully me. You just did.
I'm sorry.
Holy shit.
But I mean, like, you set up like the What? That doesn't count. What
Oh my god.
We're about to sound.
They seem pretty even.
Yep.